Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on qemu-kvm and using Virt Manager. So for the first case, you need to install several packages. So just install them, and while the installation proceeds, let me tell you something that I also make review videos and they are not cheap, they are quite costly. So I recently made one, the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G, and it took a lot of effort but did not get much attention. So please, if you want, you can go and watch this video. The link is there in the description, or you can click on the I button up there. So just click there so you can go and watch it. And if you like the video, do comment how you feel about the video, what you like and don't like about the video. Just comment down there so that I can improve my video in the coming episodes. And also I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you want more review videos like that. And for my existing subscribers, don't worry, I will continue to make videos like this. Now I guess that the installation is done. Now you just need to open Virt Manager. You see that error, right? This just can be resolved by restarting your machine. So after installing, just go and restart. So finally I've restarted. Now let me just open the readme file that I've saved there. Now you can just go to Virt Manager. You see that the problem is resolved. It's not showing up again. Now we need to add this repository to the machine. So just copy and paste. I've put all the lines of codes in the description, so you can just copy the commands and paste it there in the terminal and keep working easily. The main objective is to install Windows 11 on qemu-kvm using Virt Manager, right? So I have tried to keep it as simple as possible so that you can reach your destination as soon as possible. So the installation is done, the repository is added. After that, as you had seen, we just need to update the packages. Now we need to go and download the Windows 11 ISO file. So just search there, and from the website you will be able to see some options are there. You just need to select them accordingly to download the ISO. So after the installation is done, we need to install a few more things. After the download is done, we need to install a few more things, that is the swtpm and the swtpm tools. So just install them like this as I've shown. Enter your password and press the enter key for the installation to proceed. So that is done. Now open the Virt Manager and click on the plus button for a new virtual machine. Select the Windows 11 ISO in the next page, and then select the amount of RAM and CPU. You can change it later in the settings. Select the storage, create the storage there. Now it's finally done. Now from here you need to select Secure Boot, and you need to add a new device, that is the TPM. Make sure the version is selected as 2.0. Now for the CPU, you can also change the configuration there and select host pass-through if you want. So I have not made the changes there as of now. Now press any key so that it boots from the C drive, that is the ISO file. Now after the booting is done, you will see this page, the normal Windows 11 installation. Now select the options that you need from there and click on install now. Now the rest of the process is very simple, right? Just the way you install Windows 11. So I'm just going to fast forward this part. And then I'm going to show you the drivers that you need to install on Windows 11 so that it works more smoothly and you get a better resolution in the virtual machine. So that's it, the installation is done. Now after that we need to just open Edge and then let's go to google.com because Bing sometimes gives very wrong results. And from Google just we need to search for Spice Guest Tools for Windows 11, or you can just search for Windows 10. The package installer is the same for both. Now go to the website. I'll put the link in the description. You can just go there by clicking the link and then just move down to Windows binaries. There you get the file, the exe file. Wait for the download to complete. And after it is done, we just need to open the file and install it just like any other software. Now allow for that driver to install and just wait. The resolution will change. Now after it is done, you just need to restart the computer so that everything works more smoothly. And you can also go to settings to change the resolution to 1080 pixels.